Division by 2, Part 3. Let's start. What is 46 divided by 2? The answer is 23. 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23. Now, for the second problem. 38 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 19. 38 divided by 2 is equal to 19. For the third problem. What is 32 divided by 2? The answer is 16. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. The fourth problem is, what is 48 divided by 2? The answer is 24. 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. Now, for the fifth problem. 44 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 22. 44 divided by 2 is equal to 22. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you. Now, for the next problem. 26 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 13. 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. Here's for the seventh. 36 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 18. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Now, for the problem number 8. What is 34 divided by 2 is equal to? The answer is 17. 34 divided by 2 is equal to 17. The number, ninth problem. 42 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 21. 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. Now, for the last one. What is 28 divided by 2? The answer is 14. 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. That's all for now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you.